Welcome to my channel, Top 5 Math Puzzles. Please read the rules carefully. So, are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. So the correct answer is 27. I got 1 out of 1. So what is your score? Number 2. The correct answer here is 32. So what is your score right now? Number 3. The correct answer here is 16. So how much is your score? Number 4. Correct answer here is 63. Number 5, the final one. And the correct answer here is 6. So thank you so much for watching this video, and must count your total score and share your result in the comment box below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting mathematical challenges. Thank you so much and see you in the comment section.